Hey everybody, we're on question 43 in the first math practice test out of your red book. So go ahead and hit pause on this video and find question 43 in the first math practice test. Awesome. So you're at question 43. You're looking at this thing and you're like, is it really hot in here? Or what's going on? Because we're talking about temperature, baby. So here's the deal, right? When you see this problem, some people are going to get overwhelmed by it. And that's kind of standard protocol. There's two main ways to attack this problem. I'm going to show you the mathematically correct way, and then we're going to talk about another option as well. So we're trying to find, right, first and foremost, word problem strategy. We want to know what is the value of x that makes f and c equal to each other, all right? So the value of x that makes the Fahrenheit temperature and the Celsius temperature equal to each other. And they tell us that there's only one value of x that will work for. And our job is to find it. Okay? So what do we know? Well, we know that f equals, all right, 9/5 c plus 32. This is just a general formula for converting from Celsius to Fahrenheit. All right? And so as we look at this, we got to start asking our question, what would I need to do to find the value of x, or a value, okay, that would make c and f equal to each other, okay? And so to do this, we're going to pick x, plug it in for f and c, and find the value that's going to work. So to solve this in the most simple way, x equals 9/5 x plus 32. We're using the same number. That's the whole idea of the problem, picking the same number. So we're using a variable, it's the same one. So we just solve this using algebra, right? So you could subtract 9/5 from both sides. You could add, you could manipulate this a lot of different ways. I like to do this way because it's just simpler to subtract 1x from both sides, right? And you're going to get 0 equals 4/5 x plus 32. All right? You can do that in your calculator. That's not my goal here to teach you how to subtract fractions or whatever. And then we're going to subtract 32 from both sides to get x by itself. So you get 4/5 x equals -32. Now we want to divide both sides by 4/5 or multiply by 5/4. These cancel. X equals -40. Right? There's your answer. B. Now, you might be looking at that and having kind of like an aneurysm or something, because this is kind of crazy. It's a lot of algebra steps, and that's okay. For a lot of people, this is not how you're going to attack this problem. For many students, you're going to see this, and the number one thing you need to think here is trial and error. So you've got TorchPrep strategy on trial and error. Start with the middle answer choice. Start plugging in, and you're looking for what value, when I plug it in to this equation, is going to make the left side and the right side of the equation equal to the same thing. Just use trial and error, see which one works, and you'll find that the answer still is B.